Today, I'm going to show you how to change your app icons on iOS 26 step by step. Apple's new iOS 26 update gives you even more control over your home screen, so you can make your iPhone truly your own. Alright, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and make sure you're running iOS 26 or later. You can check that by going to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it before continuing. Now, to change an app icon, you'll need to use the Shortcuts app. It's built into every iPhone. Open the Shortcuts app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, and then choose Add Action. In the search bar, type Open App and tap it. Next, tap the word App and choose the app you want to customize, for example, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Once you've selected the app, tap the share icon at the bottom and select Add to Home Screen. Here's where the magic happens. Tap the small app icon next to the name and choose Choose Photo or Choose File. Now select the custom icon image you want to use. You can download amazing icon packs from websites, Pinterest, or even from your favorite creators. Just make sure the images are square and high quality. After you've chosen your new icon, tap Add, and boom, your customized app icon will appear on your home screen. You can repeat the same process for every app you want to personalize. And here's a cool tip. With iOS 26, custom icons now support dynamic themes, so if you switch to dark mode, your icons can change automatically. That's it! You've just learned how to change app icons in iOS 26 and make your iPhone look completely unique. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iOS tips and tutorials